In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Kucoin to Tradingview in 2025. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you through the entire process, making it easier for you to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the official Kucoin website. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade a variety of digital currencies. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.kucoin.com, or simply search for Kucoin in your search engine. Once you reach the Kucoin homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if you're visiting for the first time. Next, you'll want to log in to your Kucoin account. Look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process involving your email and a secure password. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate back to the Kucoin homepage. From here, you'll want to access your profile settings. Finding the profile section is usually quite easy. Look for your account name or avatar located at the top of the page. Clicking here will often reveal a drop-down menu where you can manage various account settings. Now, within your profile settings, you need to locate the API management section. This part allows you to create API keys, which are essential for connecting Kucoin to third-party services like Tradingview. API keys serve as bridges or connection points between your account and external applications, so handling them securely is crucial. Upon entering the API management page, you might see existing keys if you've created them before. If you need to create a new one specifically for Tradingview, look for an option or button to create API. Follow the on-screen instructions. At this point, you'll generally be required to input some information about how you plan to use the API, and for security reasons, you might have to verify your identity through text, email, or another secure method. Once your API key has been successfully created, keep it somewhere safe and accessible yet secure. You will need these keys when you're setting up Tradingview to work with your Kucoin account. In summary, integrating Kucoin with Tradingview involves accessing the Kucoin website, logging into your account, navigating to your profile, and managing your API settings to generate the necessary keys for connection. By following these steps, you can take advantage of the improved trading tools Tradingview offers while staying integrated with your trading activities on Kucoin. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and straightforward. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and happy trading!